Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and I received something from thredup. Now, if you're not familiar with thredup, it is a huge consignment shop. They have commercials and I always give my clothes to them when I'm done with my clothes. Always. When somebody grows out of something, my kids, always it goes to thredup. Unless it's stained, torn, whatever, it does not go to thredup. So after a while, a long while of, getting a little bit of money now and then from thredup, I finally got to like a little over $20. And I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and use the $20, see if there's something on their website, which I'm sure is what they like to see, use that money towards something on their website. I did not want to buy clothes. It's all way overpriced, if you ask me. Everything on thredup is way overpriced, but yet the sellers, like me, get very little money for the products. We get like, I think I've gotten like 17 cents for selling like a $14 shirt. It's just kind of ridiculous, but if something is better than nothing. So I do send them all off to thredup. And so I decided I'm going to get something. This is used. I do not think this is new with tags. Let me go ahead and open it and show you what I have selected. I did not want to buy clothes, like I said, because I don't want to try something on and then have to go through all the problem of returning something. So you can probably guess what I bought, because if it's not clothes on thredup, what else do they sell on thredup? They sell accessories, they sell purses, hint, hint, hint. So I pretty much was able to buy this it was $31. So I had to spend $11 of my own money for this. Plus, of course, the $20 that I have already in credit. Let me put this box under my blanket because Brooklyn wants to eat it. And let's go ahead and see the purse, because I have not even looked at it. I hope it's not stained and junk. I would be so kind of sad. So kind of sad is not exactly what I was going to say, but let's see. Gotta cover the cardboard box over here so Brooklyn doesn't eat it. So it comes like this, all wrapped up. It says, "Hey, nice pics." So let's check it out. I don't know. I never know when I get something from thredup. So here's the purse right here. I loved the color when I saw it online.
Yeah, look at that.
It's something that I would definitely use. It is by Jessica Simpson. I have not had anything by her before. In fact, I didn't even know that she had a purse line or a bag line or whatever. But, yep, Jessica Simpson. So let's see. All right. I don't like the inside already, but it doesn't matter. It's got the like animal print in there. I do not care for animal print. Is that yeah, I think that's considered animal print. But so that's one snap on one side. They did not show the inside of the purse, by the way, on the website. So they have like 2 snaps on each side and then a zipper compartment down the middle. So here's the other side here. What a coincidence. It looks just like the other side. All right. And let's see the zipper down the middle. I don't like the inside, which is a shame. I wish it was a different color, but it's the inside of the bag, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. This is, I guess, her signature brand there, Jessica Simpson. Isn't she a singer? I think she's a singer. But or an actress. What is she? I don't know. Jessica Simpson. Anyway, she makes bags. That's all I care about. No, I'm just kidding. I think she, gosh, now I'm getting confused whether she's a singer or an actress. I really think she's a singer. But all right, let's get on with it. But yeah, there is pockets in here. There's a few pockets here. There's one here. There's a zipper pocket here. And then here is a zipper pocket in the very front. So, you know, it's a nice size purse. You know, it's got this strap here. And then, of course, these little ones here, which is probably how I would carry it. I do not see any noticeable damage on the purse at all as I'm looking at it talking to you. I do not see anything wrong with it. I don't see any stains. I don't even see any sort of usage at all. I don't feel any dirt or, you know, crumbs or, you know, anything inside the purse. It does not smell like a cigarette, thank goodness. No offense to those of you that smoke. I smoked years and years ago during my college life, but I quit years and years ago. But yeah, it's there's no scent, no foul smell. So yeah, I'm happy with it. I am happy with my selection. So this is what I got. And you know, if you look on their website, I mean, this is used and it was still $31. So I don't know. I mean, I did not look at the Jessica Simpson website to see if this is in fact a $31 purse. All I know is, you know, it's a good name and I loved the color. I already had $20 of credit. So this is what I got. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my little purchase at thredup. I do have a referral link. I do, for thredup. I have a referral link in my description box. So if you want to go and check it out, if you have not been there before, if you want to start like selling your clothes to thredup or doing whatever you want to do, shop, whatever, please use my referral link in my description box. I would greatly appreciate it. I don't exactly know what I get. I really don't. I don't know. But if you're just curious about it, please use my referral link or somebody else's. I mean, there's other people out there that have referral links for thredup as well. So, but anyway, thank you everyone for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you can, please take a moment and write a comment so I know you were here. Thank you. Bye.